In this video, I will show you how to simply find and copy your order tracking number on JD.com or JD Shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. Open up your JD Shopping app, just like so. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then make sure you click on the chat box right here. So click on here, and it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this box icon to proceed. Now you are here, you have going to see all order on transit in these sections right here. Then from here, this is where you can get your tracking number and send it to your shipping agent for a confirmation of the order from JD Shopping App Store to your warehouse address in China. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So like for instance, I'm going to use this particular order as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the order detail right here. That's going to take us right here. Now, for you to get your tracking number from this page, all you have to do is to simply click on here to proceed. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here, and then here you go. You have your order tracking number. For you to copy the order tracking number, simply click on here. This allows you to copy just like so, and you can send it to your shipping agent for a confirmation that they have received the order. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using JD Shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.